In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Evernote. Maintaining a seamless flow of information across your devices is crucial for productivity and organization. Evernote, the popular note-taking application, provides a robust platform to manage your notes, ideas, and important information. However, there are times when syncing between devices might stall or not work as expected. That's why today we're focusing on this simple yet effective way to ensure your Evernote is always up to date. Let's dive right in. The first simple action you can take is pressing Ctrl+R on your keyboard. This command acts as a refresh for the Evernote application, similar to refreshing a web page in your internet browser. When you press Ctrl and R together, what you're doing is essentially telling Evernote to reload the current view. It's like hitting a reset button, prompting the application to re-establish its connection with the Evernote servers and check for any new changes or updates. By refreshing the application this way, Evernote is pushed to reinitiate the sync process. This is an excellent troubleshooting step if you find that your notes aren't appearing correctly or if you've made changes on another device that aren't reflecting on the one you're using. It's quick, it's simple, and often, it's effective. A little tip here: if you happen to be using a Mac instead of a Windows machine, you can achieve the same result by pressing Command+R. Mac users sometimes wonder if instructions are different, and yes, this small adjustment will help you with the same refreshing action on your Evernote application. Although refreshing your application manually by using Ctrl+R or its Mac equivalent may not solve every synchronization problem, it's a great first step to take. Some users find that just giving Evernote the nudge it needs with this manual refresh opens the doors to better syncing without needing further intervention. However, if your issues persist, it may be worth exploring additional troubleshooting steps, like checking your internet connection or ensuring that you're logged into your account properly on all devices. Syncing is very much dependent on a stable internet connection, so double-check your Wi-Fi or data settings if needed. In conclusion, keeping your Evernote synced across multiple devices ensures you're always prepared, organized, and ready to tackle any task, no matter where you are. I hope this simple yet effective tip proves useful for you, ensuring that you never miss a beat with your notes. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check out other tutorials if you're looking to learn more about optimizing your Evernote experience.